Hello guys, welcome to another review with the FX View reviews. So today it's gonna be about the Saxo Bank. As a Danish investment bank founded in 1992, providing online trading and investments, this company is regulated by several financial conduct authorities like the Danish Financial Service Agency, the FSA, and the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. So, Saxo Bank is a global service provider in different regions. It has subsidiaries are present in form of separated legal entities. The services offered by each entity might change slightly, especially in case of their fees and products available to trade. In this review, we are going to test the Saxo Bank UK. So let's talk more about the pros and cons of this broker. So the Saxo trading experience is driven by an excellent, well-designed trading platform. We're gonna see the platform later. So Saxo has a wide-ranging product portfolio, meeting the needs of even heavy traders. On the negative side, Saxo's bonds, options, and futures trading fees are very high. So the minimum deposit on this broker, the Saxo Bank, is range between $600 and $10,000 depending on your residency. So between the cons, there is no live chat customer support in this broker, but generally pros are great trading platform, outstanding research, and broad product portfolio. But so let's see the platforms now. There is a wide range in terms of platforms in Saxo Bank. As you can see, we're gonna preview the platform here to you guys to see what's inside this amazing interface, a beautiful design and there is an outstanding research in it. If you want to try it, as I said, the cons of this broker is that it has high bond, options and futures fees, and high minimum deposit. Also the lack of chat and 24/7 availability. If you have a Saxo Bank account, you can use a third-party tools like TradingView or multi-charts to connect your account and trade using these two platforms as a third-party tool. So as you can see, the three type of account that Saxo gives you choice of is the classic that start from $10,000, the platinum that start from $200,000, and the VIP account that starts from $1 million. So in the classic, you can benefit from industry-related entry prices, tight interest prices, and best-in-class digital service and support. Also receive an even tighter spread and commissions in the platinum, and get up to 13% lower prices. In the VIP, you get the VIP treatment with the very best prices and an access to experts trading on Saxo Bank. Also, there is a money protection when you put 100,000 euro in your account is guaranteed by the Danish guarantee funds. So let's talk now on how to open your account generally on Saxo Bank. So Saxo Bank or Saxo's account opening is fast and fully digital. Online registration takes only 10 to 15 minutes, but account verification is a bit slower. So the opening process consists of 3 steps. There is an online application. Also, you need an approval process, and at the end, you just make the funding. And to verify your identity and residency, you have to upload the following documents, which are the proof of identity, a national ID card or passport, or you and of course it's a plus to have a proof of residency, a tax or a bank statement. And for the deposits and withdrawal on this broker, you can choose between 26 base currencies, and you can also open several sub accounts in different currencies. A great option if you plan to trade assets in more than one currency. You can deposit via a credit or debit card, and there is no deposit fee. Also, the withdrawal are free. The cons in depositing money, there is no electronic wallets on this broker, so it's not allowed either for deposit or withdrawal. Thanks for watching. See you on the next review. Bye bye.